It's gardening season, so let's talk about the top trending plants for spring 2024 with Carol Jacobs from Bell Nursery in Baltimore, Maryland.
One of my new favorites is this PW quart-size perennial. So perennial is something that's going to come back year after year, and I get so many requests for deer-resistant product. This is called Nepeta Catmint. It's deer-resistant, it's beautiful, and it's fragrant. So this is one of my recommendations for this year, and it's great for somebody who doesn't have a big garden, doesn't want to get a big shovel. You can just use a hand trowel and get this in the ground.
Does it need sun?
This needs full sun. Number two would be this fuchsia. I think this is pretty much one of everybody's favorite hanging baskets, especially around Mother's Day. We sell tons of these. It's for the shade, but it's got these beautiful, beautiful bell-like flower petals. It comes in the red and the purple. It comes in a pink and a red and a pink and a purple. It's just delightful, and I think everybody who gets one loves these.
Next up is the perfect plant for the gardener who doesn't really want to get their hands dirty.
You literally can drop and decorate. You have a pot, it's got a little soil in it, it's okay. Drop this in, you have instant impact, instant color, simple, successful, beautiful.
And then comes the ferns. They actually come in all shapes and sizes.
They love shade, so if you put them in the sun, they're going to get a little sunburn. And then if you scoot over here, we've got these really cute mini ferns. So these are great if you just want to add a little texture to a flower pot in the shade. These are wonderful too.
And that's a wrap. Happy gardening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Amy Aronson in Baltimore, Maryland.